If you're a cross-country skier and you've been using the old SNS system on your skis, which is now defunct, you're probably in the position like I've been here, having to switch to the new NNN system, or the new Nordic norm as they call it. Today, I've got my Fisher skis here and I'm going to be switching the bindings over from the SNS system to the new Nordic system. So I'm just going to whip off the old bindings and put on the new bindings that I've already purchased. So stick around, watch the project unfold. I'm told it's very simple, but we'll find out together. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Geo Rollins and you're in the Geosphere. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining me here. If you enjoy the content that you see here today, please give a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button. Having said that, let's get started. Well, that's unexpected. Turns out the ski has an NIS binding mounting plate. So the system that you mount your binding to the ski, this ski uses what's called an NIS system. It's an adjustable system. So what they had done with the previous bindings, when I bought the skis at the ski shop, is they mounted an SNS binding boot binding sort of combination to an NIS plate, which is very unusual. It's normally just mounted right to the top sheet. Turns out these Fisher skis, the NIS plate is integral. It's part of the top sheet. It's part of the ski. So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do. We're either going to mount the new bindings directly to the ski on top of the NIS plate, just the way the other ones were, using the existing mounting holes, or we may have to change bindings, get a new set of bindings that will just slide on and engage on the NIS plate. So a little bit of head scratching to go on right now. I think the easiest thing to do is going to be to run down to Ernie's and see if they have some bindings that will just slide right onto this existing NIS binding plate. Have you ever had one of those days where just nothing seems to be going right? So I started out this morning with the plan to change the bindings on my skis here. I have the old SNS system and I have new bindings, the new NNN system, bindings to mount. But when I took off the old bindings, I noticed that these skis have a NIS mounting plate, and that's an adjustable system. And the plate is integral to the top sheet of the ski, so you can't peel it off, it can't be removed. So I thought, all right, not a problem. We'll go down to Ernie's, our local source for sports, and I'll grab a new set of bindings. And I can use the bindings that I already have on an older pair of skis. Turns out, being almost the middle of March, they are sold out. So that leaves me with two options. Option A is just mount the new bindings right on top of the NIS plate. Can't hurt. Not ideal because it's not perfectly flat. It's not a straight, flat sheet. The second option, as I'm going to Edmonton tomorrow, I can go in and try a couple of the ski shops there and see if they have any of the old binding systems left over that I can mount right on the plates here on the ski. So that's going to be plan A. We'll go to Edmonton, see if they have any of the old binding systems left over. That will make changing the bindings over way simpler. For now, we're delayed by a day or two, and we'll just see how it goes. Back from Edmonton yesterday, where we picked up the new bindings for the NIS plate on my Fisher skis. I'm very excited to get them mounted up and see how they fit. The process should be straightforward. There's a little bit of plastic to clean up. We'll just scrape that out with a knife. Need to fill the existing holes with some wood glue that'll seal the core from moisture getting in, and then it's just a matter of sliding the new bindings on to the binding plates. A very simple and straightforward process and shouldn't take long at all. Success! That worked out very well. And in fact, it was a lot simpler than I had expected. The only thing is, going into the project, I wish I knew the Fisher skis had that NIS binding plate as part of the ski. It would have made buying bindings for the skis so much simpler. All right, question of the day. How many of you out there have had any experience switching bindings? Leave your answers in the comment sections right here below. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, please give us a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing some more of my videos and some more of my content, please click on some of the other videos that I have on my channel. And consider hitting the subscribe button to my channel there in the bottom right-hand corner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.